What if I told you that you can turn your time on Facebook into real income? Here's how to make money on Facebook. First, build a niche page. Pick one topic: fitness, tech, relationships, business, and post short, engaging content every single day. Reels work best right now. Second, grow your audience. Use trending topics, strong hooks in the first 3 seconds, and always end with a call to action like follow for more. Third, monetize. Once you qualify, use Facebook in-stream ads, Reels bonuses, and stars. You can also promote affiliate products in your posts or sell your own digital products like ebooks or courses. Fourth, leverage Facebook groups. Create a group around your niche and build a community. Communities convert better than pages. The key is consistency. Post daily, study what performs best, and double down on what works. Start today, stay consistent, and turn Facebook into your income stream.